quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes while improving core stability. To perform a squat, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Keep your chest up and your back straight. Slowly lower your body as if you are about to sit on a chair. Make sure your knees do not go past your toes. Hold this position for a moment. Then push through your heels to return to the standing position. Repeat this movement for at least 10 to 15 repetitions. Next, we have lunges. Lunges are excellent for toning and strengthening your thighs and glutes. To do a forward lunge, stand straight with your feet hip-width apart. Step 1 foot forward and lower your body until both knees form a 90-degree angle. Ensure that your front knee does not go beyond your toes. Push back to the starting position and switch legs. Perform 10 repetitions on each leg. Now, let us move on to step-ups. This is a simple yet powerful exercise that works your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Find a sturdy chair or a step. Step onto the platform with one foot, then bring the other foot up. Step back down 1 foot at a time. Repeat this movement 10 to 15 times for each leg. This exercise will also improve your balance and coordination. Another great move for toning your legs is calf raises. This exercise targets your calf muscles, helping to define and strengthen them. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Slowly, lift your heels off the ground until you are standing on your toes. Hold this position for a second, then lower your heels back down. Repeat this movement for 15 to 20 repetitions. Now, let us include an inner and outer thigh workout. With side leg raises, lie on your side with your legs extended. Keep your core engaged and slowly lift your top leg as high as possible without bending your knee. Lower it back down in a controlled manner. Perform 15 repetitions on each leg. This exercise effectively tones the inner and outer thigh muscles, giving your legs a well-defined shape. Finally, we will finish off with glute bridges. This exercise not only tones the legs, but also strengthens the glutes and lower back. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Keep your arms relaxed at your sides. Press through your heels and lift your hips towards the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top. Hold for a second, then slowly lower back down. Perform 15 repetitions. To achieve the best results, aim to do these exercises at least 3 to 4 times a week. You can start with 1 set of each exercise and gradually increase to 2 or 3 sets as your strength improves. Remember, consistency is key. Apart from exercising, maintaining a healthy diet is also essential for toning your legs. Make sure to eat a balanced diet rich in lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Staying hydrated and getting enough rest will also help your muscles recover and grow stronger. Now that you have learned these simple yet effective exercises, it is time to take action. Start including these workouts in your daily routine, and you will notice a difference in just a few weeks. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness tips. Also, let us know in the comments which exercise was your favorite and what fitness goals you are working on. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.